Mr. Bandit 81 here, aka the Sci-Fi Bandit, doing a review on Nickelodeon's Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Kraang, Extra-Dimensional Enemies of Earth. Includes removable brain. From the looks of the alien here, or Kraang, looks like the one from the 80s cartoons, or 80s, 90s. On the side of the package here, you got the turtles. Image of them goes all around the corner here. Got an interesting look to them. The figure comes with two blasters, or energy weapons. The back here, the info will be below the video here. Mutated, or the part up here above the info card. Mutated from ooze and raised in the ways of ninjutsu by their rat sensei Splinter, the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles are ready to venture outside their sewer lair to fight evil everywhere. Below the info card you got other figures here. The turtles themselves, Shredder, Kraang, foot soldiers, Splinter, and April. See how he looks outside the package. Okay, here we got him out of the package here. The figure doesn't have any joints in the elbows or in the knees or in the feet, but the articulation forward and back, and the arms, and some movement to the left and right. Plus in the robotic head you can move. You can also take the well, the arms have a 360 turn to them, and you can take Kraang out of his body. Soft plastic, some good details here, and squishy. Nothing on the inside here. Some pretty cool details on the inside of the suit as well. Bit tricky on getting them in. And the weapons. Seem to hold up. As far as standing goes, gotta have the left leg at like so to get him to stand. Picked them up over at Walmart in North Carolina. Pretty cool looking, as well as the other figures and the turtles' lair. It's all for now. Have a good one.